welcome to my channel. Welcome to my new vlog. We are here in New Zealand. We are going to alpaca farm. After operating such a busy flight from Sydney to Christchurch, New Zealand. Yes, we are in Christchurch, New Zealand, and I was so tired. However, I really wanted to go explore this hotel because I heard so much about this hotel, and it's my first time in Christchurch, and I really wanted to go around the hotel and wanted to record and show you all guys that how this beautiful hotel looks like. Come with me for a walk and I'll show you around. Oh my god, look at this. This is so refreshing. I really needed this. Here comes the best part of this hotel, this garden. Wow. This is so beautiful. My mother would have been so happy if she saw this. मेरी मम्मी बहुत खुश हो जाती because she loves flowers and also she really loves gardening. After I show you around the hotel, I am going to sleep because we are going for a trip to alpaca farm tomorrow. Tomorrow comes the most exciting part, so stick with me till the end because we are gonna go and see a lot of viewpoints. We are gonna click so many pictures, and the most exciting part is of course alpaca farm because alpacas, they are so cute. Honestly, this is one of the most beautiful hotels I have ever seen. What do you guys think? Do comment down in the comment section. And after this, I'm gonna go and sleep, and I'll show you guys everything what's gonna happen tomorrow in the morning. Oh my god. Good morning world from Christchurch, New Zealand. This is how beautiful the sky looks here. Look at this garden in the morning. It's around 8 a.m. Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. We are here in New Zealand. Look at the view. And we are going to alpaca farm. It's gonna be amazing. Stick with me in this video till the end. And it's gonna be exciting. Let's go.
We only have 20 minutes break. But you can eat on the bus and take your coffee and everything on the bus.
Perfect.
And after that, we're going to go up to the top of the hill, and there's a couple of places for photos.
Great.
And we'll stop for some lovely photos up there, and then we'll go down to the cheese factory. And you can buy cheese and bring it on board, but it's got to remain sealed.
Alright.
And you can also buy wine there as well. And then we'll go and see the alpacas.
Great, thank you.
No worries, and then we'll head back and you can have a bit of a rest this afternoon.
Of course, that's it.
Dan's asking John.
Till we get to the town and get a coffee there. But you have a look in this bakery, it's really good. I might get a good little...
And here we stopped our car to pet these horses. Hi.
Go ahead.
Nice. Oh, what's this? Nice.
Guys. Here we go again, and we took a coffee break after some time, and there we got to see many amazing bikes at the coffee shop where all our riders stopped by to have coffee or food, and I got so mesmerized by these bikes. Everything about Christchurch is just so beautiful. I mean, I was just going to the washroom and I saw this train I was just going to the washroom and I stopped there and started clearing pictures. You will get to see pictures on my Instagram.
All these trees on the hill are manuka trees, where they get the manuka honey.
We stopped at this viewpoint and got a lot of pictures clicked. I got a lot of videos and pictures. I will be posting all those pictures and videos soon on my Instagram. And the experience was so amazing. And in this video, you will get to see even more beautiful viewpoints. Right after this.
We're gonna stop.
No way. Home, I swear. I cannot. We have to stop here.
No, I've got a good place, I promise.
Wow.
Finally, we stopped here. This view was so dreamy, and because of this view, we were constantly requesting the guide to stop here so that we can
Go ahead.
experience this beautiful view. I feel so grateful to be able to experience all of this. And do let me know, guys, that which viewpoint was your favorite from this entire video. However, the best part is yet to come. The alpaca farm that is our final destination. However, we are going to cheese factory now.
All the crew.
And we are here at the cheese factory. Let's go in and I'll show you around. We also tried some cheese here and it was so good.
Because I love pepper. I love ground pepper.
Yeah. Is it good? Amazing. Thank you. I like this one. Yeah. This one is nice.
Cheesy cheese. And here we are on our way to alpaca farm, but how can we resist this view? This was so beautiful and we stopped here, had so much fun. We collected so many shells and had so much fun. Oh my god.
Beautiful.
You know there are shells in here.
The shells.
Oh.
They got the clam and oyster.
Oyster too.
That's oyster. See the oyster? Clam. It's an oyster. No pearl. Can you find a pearl? No. And this one is mussel.
Wow.
Mussel.
The green lip
super
mussel.
Cute.
I don't know what that is. It's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know the name.
I want to get these home.
You can take home. Yeah, you should be okay. Yeah.
It is
It's not a living thing. I mean,
It
it's
is,
not.
yeah,
It's
it
only a
is not.
shell.
yeah.
Just put it in your bag.
It is closed.
Close.
If it's closed, you don't want to take it back
Okay.
because it might open up.
Clicked a few pictures again and it was time to go. And here comes our final destination.
But can you see them?
Yeah.
Already up the top there. They're the welcoming committee.
Alpaca farm. Finally we are here and look at them. They are so cute. I was so eagerly waiting to pet them and hug them.
Yeah, just come inside.
Hi.
Over 250 babies to his name in New Zealand, in Australia, and then all over Europe. So quite a lot of babies. He has no idea. He just knows that he is the man. He is the king. So he is about 18 years old. He is slowing down, which he isn't happy about, and the younger guys are slowly coming in above him. So right now he's just living out his life of being the king. He's super friendly, so I will, once I let him out, you guys can take some photos with him. But in the meantime, when it does come to going and walking around the alpacas, please, if they don't want to be pet, please don't follow them, just walk away. Touching them, please touch the neck and then the body here, okay? Avoid this area. He does not kick, but you just don't know which ones can. It is obviously when they get a bit scared. It's just a reaction, and then the head as well. So avoid it. I know you want to touch it. It's super fluffy, but we'll avoid that. But there's quite a few that you can actually go in, and then you can give them a hug too. Right? If you don't want to, you can just stand back, but that's okay. So now you guys please walk around, take as many photos. If you want photos together, come grab myself or Kai. And if you have any questions, just come and ask.
Oh my god, lovely.
The boy down there.
I think he likes you. So cute. Fluffy and soft. I'm taking video.
Okay.
I think he's really cool.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, he's nice.
I guess he's the guy.
I think yeah, he likes you. I think stay.
Yeah, they're domesticated.
Now it was time to say bye to alpacas and hi to baby alpacas because we were going to feed them.
Hi. Hi.
And get a bit excited, obviously. All this is grass. It's just called lucerne hay, so it is just a little bit. It's like a candy grass, we'll call it. However, they absolutely love it, and some go not crazy. They just get a bit cuckoo for it. All right.
They have started following already. See? Oh! Food time!
Xích dễ vô. Đây.
You're eating really nicely.
Yeah. No. He just wants to eat.
Okay, this one is done.
It was just so satisfying.
Good?
I was having so much fun, but it was time to go back to the hotel. After we arrived at the hotel, we just got an hour to rest because we were operating flight back to Sydney on the very same day. It was a very short layover, that's why we managed to explore, and we had to operate flight back to Sydney on the very same day. It was tough though, we were so tired, however, it was all worth it. You know, a fun fact about New Zealand that my father told me, that is, New Zealand is one of the very few countries in the world that is entirely, completely snake free. Honestly, it was so fun. What a day. And I really don't want to operate this flight back from Christchurch to Sydney. I really want to stay one more day in Christchurch. I want to just stay here, but we have to go back. See you in my next vlog, and comment down in the comment section, did you like this video and what was your favorite part in this vlog? Do comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to share this video and subscribe my channel.